Fitting skirting over skirting. Put the board up to the original skirting and mark the height of the skirting onto the board, and then mark the depth of the skirting on the bottom of the board. So what we're doing here is we're creating the cutout point so we can slot it over that when we butt it up. So we need to extend these lines into a rectangle using the set square or a ruler. Just to show that that's the piece we've got to cut out. So grab a handsaw and then saw across. Then we've cut that out. And then just showing you that it butts up to the wall, fits over that skirting board. So we're going to pin this into place. Here you might want to pin through the profile onto the wall and another one into the base of the board, into this existing skating board. So now we're going to put this other one up and mark the rough cut that we've got to make for our scribe joint. And then we turn the mitre saw on the tilt part of it because it makes it easier to cut. Because it's like quite a high board, it needs to be done on the tilt. Use a 18mm piece of scrap if you've got one lying around to support the board. It's a 19mm rebate, so that's why we're using an 18mm piece to support it. And this makes it easier to cut for safety reasons, reduces the risk of damaging the board as it's flapping around. So if you have got one knocking around, then that's great. So we're just making the cut here. Using a bench for support, we're going to lay the skating board cover down, and this will help make it easier for us to make our cut. Again, starting off with a handsaw rather than going straight in with a coping saw. It's easier to get the pieces off before we try and cut out the profile for the scribe. Just speed it up to show. Once we get to this stage and it's more controlled with a coping saw, so we're just going to quickly cut out this profile. Once that's done, you can, in this method we're going to use adhesive, show you how that's done. Again, apply a squiggly line to the back and then to the bit that actually connects to the wall. So we connect to the skirting board as well as the wall. And then just slot that on. And again, the cord of the scribe should fit over the existing profile. And then for extra security, you can put a couple of pins in there as well to make sure it stays on the wall. You can use decorator's caulk to tidy it up and fill in any gaps. And there you have it, the skirting over skirting.